The open house is very important because this is the very first day to welcome all the students. We believe, and I believe, that the students really enjoyed the activities that we prepared a while ago.
Around here we ain't afraid of nothing, dancing like no one sees.
At my first day of school, ma'am, I feel so overwhelmed because there's a lot of students here at ZPPSU, and I feel so welcome to join here at the ZPPSU.
Take my hand, I'm a bad rammer jammer, yes you know I am. And the band's hitting harder than a battering ram, getting everybody out there to see. Yeah. It's heating up in here, oh hot damn. I can barely feel my body, but I still can't dance. There's no end to a party like the one we're at, so keep going till they tell us to leave. I feel free, so free.
My expectation is university can give me quality education and give me some fun experiences, and can help me grow in my future careers, and can give me or build me to become a great and proud future educator.
Sun coming up.
As freshman student ng ZPPSU, looking forward po ako sa mga bagong knowledge na matutunan ko through my STEO and CET department. So, madami po akong gusto ma-explore and different cultures na nangyayari dito sa school, and ma-adapt sana po, and looking forward po sa mga activities through the school department, and looking forward din po ako sa house.